Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone! Today in this video, we're going to be talking about while true, an extension to while loop. So before we begin, if you like the content that I post, please leave this video a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and turn on the post notifications so you can get notified whenever I release a new video. And with that said, let's begin guys. So, let's start off with a simple example of while true. And before we do that, let me just explain to you guys what while true is. Well, while true is, it's basically a while loop, and it's just while true. True is the Boolean value, so that's that. And just put pass here to no error. And what this will do, it's while true. So true is always true. So it's gonna repeat forever. And what it does is that it just continues repeating. It's a loop, but like a forever loop. And the only way you can stop it is by using break. So I'll just give you an example. Let's do print hello. And if we run this, print hello forever. But if we want it to only print once, we can do break. And if we run it again, print it once. What break does is that it destroys the program. Destroy, like bam. It's gone. It's yeeted in that term. And we have break and continue. What continue does is that it just lets the program run. It's basically just letting it continue, you can say. So you guys may be wondering, what's the use of this? Why would I want to have something that just repeats forever? Well, it can be used for many things actually. And let me just give you a small example. So let's make something called shopping list. Okay, if it's not gonna lag out, yes. And let's just have an empty list. And let's put while true. We're gonna ask the user and put input. What fruit do what food do you want to add to your list? And then, and quick tip guys, to find out to add stuff to your list, you can specify a list and append, and you can add a variable, or you can add text like hello and stuff like that. Append is a function to add stuff to a list. So what we're doing here is that we're asking what do you want to add to the list, and then just appending, and we're gonna ask user done equals input done, and we're gonna do if loop. If done equals yes, then we're gonna break. That's where break comes in. And if it isn't, then continue. Simple program. And what this is basically it just repeats forever until we tell it to stop. So we can add as many things we can add as many fruits to the list that we want to. And this would work better if we use a database, but I really don't want to spend some time like setting it all up and all. So this is just a simple example. So if we run this, or actually before we run it, let's do something else, and let's just print shopping list. And let's just do this. Potato, no, apple. And you see potato, apple, no, chicken. And just you continue adding like this. And then you put yes, and it's done. So this is an example of while true and why it's pretty useful. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing if I earned it, as this really helps me out. And thank you guys for 40 subscribers. I realized the last video in this video I want to say thank you for that. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.